Greetings, adventure lovers. We're Roger and Brenda, and Ride Ohio is our passion project where we share our motorcycle experiences. Every mile on the road tells a story.
You know,
Yeah,
I want to make sure I can get over.
I know. I was just answering you. I try to go first before Jim if I can.
I know that,
Sometimes I can't because he doesn't too fast.
but I can't always see you.
Yeah.
I mean, you get one of those front page mirrors.
Bigger
Really
one.
nice.
Your ears are little. You're good. I try to tell you, but sometimes I daydream.
Yeah.
Huh?
I know. Love me, that's why.
Get lost in your thoughts when you're riding.
What's that?
I said sometimes you get lost in your thoughts when you're
What'd you
riding.
say?
You get lost in your thoughts.
Yes, you do. I said, yes, you do.
I heard you. But that can't hurt.
That's what you said. Yeah. That's what you said when you pulled up beside me. I get lost and I didn't see you.
You're good to go.
What's that?
I said you were good to go. No wonder they have tornadoes. There's like no hill.
Repeat that?
I said no wonder they they have tornadoes. There's no hills.
Yeah, tornadoes. Tornado Island.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
Yep.